Two deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Hands up. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Ah, hello, I'm Joe. This is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. I'm making paper aeroplanes. Now, let's see it fly. Woohoo!
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Hi, Ozzy. Joe, it's time to deliver. Today, Joe, you will be delivering a bag, coffee, and an aeroplane. And you will be going to the airport.
Yes!
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Noomi and Aoife are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go. I know you're waiting. Let's go.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hello. You must be waiting on Joe and Ozzy. They must be late.
Oh.
Look at the time.
Let's love sign. Time. Time. You sign. Time. Good. Time.
Now, Ozzy, where is the airport? Yes, I knew that. Joe and Ozzy. You must be Aoife and Noomi.
Hello, Joe. You are very late and our VIP has been waiting.
VIP?
Very important passenger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay, Joe. Come on, let's get going.
Okay.
But first, I'm going to need a new bag.
A new bag? My first delivery? Wait here. Oh.
No, Joe, that bag is too small.
Oh.
That's perfect.
Ba.
Next, I do my little routine. I do the same thing every time. Now it's time for my coffee. Oh no! The cafe is closed. I can't have my coffee. Oh. But I always have my coffee before I go.
I don't like coffee. It makes me silly. Yes, I know. Coffee! My second delivery. Wait here. Oh. Coffee.
Oh, Joe, that's not coffee. That's toffee sweet.
Ah.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Daddy.
Daddy.
Perfect!
It's nearly time for us to fly on Dizzy Deliveries.
Now my cup is empty.
Let's love sign. Empty. Empty. You sign. Empty. Good. Empty.
Here we are in security. Here we go in the airplane.
I'm so excited.
Let's love sign. Excited. Excited. U sign. Excited. Good. Excited.
Aeroplane. Now we are ready to go on the aeroplane. But hang on. Where is the aeroplane?
Yes. Where is the aeroplane? I remember my third delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Hands up.
Aw, I had a great day. Thank you, Aoife. And thank you, Noomi. Oh.
Bye-bye, Joe.
Bye-bye.